Hi guys, today we're going to be making stamps. Comment below if you like stamps and subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, so the materials you'll need are some scissors, a marker, foam, and a hot glue gun. You might have to wait because the hot glue gun's going to have to sit for a while, but that's okay because we're going to be using some foam paper right now. And my strip is too big, so I'm going to show you to cut it. And I want it to be like that much, so I'm going to cut it like that. Just making sure that you guys can see it. And there we have it, our strip. And then you're going to want to roll it up, just like that. You're going to go until you're happy about how thick it is. I want mine to be like really thick. Like that much would be my demand. That much is how much I would do. And now, if the hot glue gun's not ready, you're going to wait. You're going to leave this to the side. You can roll it back up. And then you're going to have to cut out 2 circles with your other foam paper. You can cut out 1 circle and then cut out another one. Okay, and then when you have your circle and you're happy with it, you can put it like that, and then you can cut around it like that. Just cutting around the circle. So that's really all you need. And then you're going to get your hot glue gun and you're going to get your strip. Then you're going to roll it back up as much as you did before. Okay, so I'm happy with this much. So I'm just going to glue it. Like that. And then you're just going to keep rolling. Then it's going to stick. Then you're going to want to press it. Then you're going to have to wait a while till you can cut it. Then you can, once you wait like 2 minutes, and then you can cut the excess off. And now you have your base. And now you're going to get one of your circles and you're going to put hot glue on the top of your this. So you're going to hot glue gun and put on the top just like that. Just like that. Then you're going to get your circle. You're going to put it right on that. You're going to press. And then you're going to get your new circle, your other one, and then you're going to put it on top of it, not glue it. And then on the really side right here, you're going to put like a little dot of glue. So it can be like an opener cap. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's like that. Right? And then glue up there. Just get like that. Just like that. And you're going to want to close it. Okay. And then you're going to wait for that to dry. Wait, and so much fun. And if you need to put more, you can always put more. No rush. takes a while for mine too. There you have it. Taking some strings off. Okay, so there you have it. We're not done yet. Almost done. But when it's all dry, you're going to open it up. Open it, and then you're going to put your marker. You can draw some shapes on it, or you can color it. I'm going to color it. You're going to color the whole thing. I'm coloring. Make sure that ink gets on it. The most important part is that you need the ink. Right? And then it should be like that with your color. You can close it back up. And then there you have it. You have your stamp. Right? And then it's like that. Get some foam paper. And now you can just stamp like that. And look, you might not see because I used really light orange. So enjoy with your stamps. Thank you for watching. Bye.